Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Bitcoin crypto market daily update as we had the most important weekly close of this month and for the next few months. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You will get easy profits, trading, 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, market updates, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So right here, you can see that Bitcoin is having a little bit of a sideways correction, right? You can see that the previous week closed at a minus 4.39. But this is not what we should be concerned about. What we should focus on is the price and the target that we closed at above. So we have the 20-day EMA, the 50-day exponential moving average, the 200-day moving average. The white line right here. You can see that the 20-day and the 50-day EMA has become our support levels. Okay, so this is good. The fact that we closed above the 20-day EMA, all right, a little bit above, you can see right here, is pretty good. The best thing would be to hold the 200-day moving average. Okay, this would be the best part right here, to go above and to close above this line right here, which would be above the 26.4K. But in overall, it wasn't bad close. Right now, we want to see though, in the lower time frames, what we are going to do. Because in the lower time frames, there is a good chance that we are going to have something like a bearish pennant. Okay, so I want your attention on that. Now, I'm going to draw a very small Fibonacci for the lower time frames, and then we are going to the higher time frames as well. Now, for the lower time frames, what we need to do in order to reassure a nice buying opportunity, the nice buying pressure, it is to close above the 26,137 in the 4-hour frame. If we can do that, then that means we are going to go even higher. Okay, potentially to the 26.4K, 26.6, and of course 26.9 to 27. But if we cannot close above this number right here, then Bitcoin is going to struggle a lot. Okay, so what we need to do, it is simply we need to close above. Now, this could become a neutral triangle as well, but we need to make sure that we are forming a nice neutral instead of a bearish pennant. Now, what happens if we close below at which target we are going to be bearish, for example? I'm going to show you some targets right here. I'm going to draw the fib from the bottom to the top. Now, if Bitcoin closes below this target right here, 25.7 to 25.8K, then we are going to go probably down. And especially if we close below this target right here, this line, 25.6, then Bitcoin is going to form a new lower low again at the 25.3K, which is going to indicate maybe more short-term correction. Other than that though, the weekly scale is not bearish. Okay, the weekly scale right here in the weekly close that we have is not bearish at all. Right now, let's go into the daily frame. We need to analyze the daily frame as well. What happens, Bill, if we go and have a correction at around 25K? But what I'm going to do right here, it is simply I'm going to the logarithmic scale because this was the regular. What happens, Bill, if Bitcoin wants to go down here? Okay, because you can see that the 200-day moving average is running upwards. We have a strong support level right here. What happens if we go there? Yes, this is the worst thing that can happen in the crypto market, but also the best thing to reaccumulate Bitcoin at this target right here. Okay, so this would be the best thing to reaccumulate Bitcoin at 23.7 to 23.8. This would be the best thing to do. But apart from that, we need to see how Bitcoin will just go into the lower time frames. It could be the case that we never go there. We go upwards from here. We follow the path because we hold the Bitcoin's support, bull cycle support levels in the weekly scale, and we just go all the way upward. So we have to make sure that we are checking the lower time frames. Please pay attention to the targets that we talked about before. If we lose them, then we go down. If we go and close above, then we go higher, and this indicates more strong buying pressure in the weekly scale. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to update about Chainlink as well. You can see, you all could see that it crashed. I'm going to update for more altcoins. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.